This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school PIN in DigiLocker. First, ensure you have your unique 12-digit Aadhaar number and your registered mobile number ready. This process makes retrieving your academic documents incredibly straightforward and secure. It is designed to simplify how you manage and access your official school records from anywhere, anytime, with complete confidence in their authenticity and safety. Your school provides a specific, 6-digit PIN to each student, acting as a crucial security key. This unique number is vital for connecting your individual academic record with your DigiLocker account. Keep this PIN confidential, as it is the primary way to securely access your official documents like mark sheets, transfer certificates, and other important records from your institution. Losing it would make accessing these documents significantly harder. To begin, download the DigiLocker application onto your smartphone or simply navigate to the official DigiLocker website. Initiate the registration process by providing your 12-digit Aadhaar number and a functional mobile number. You will then receive a one-time password, a 6-digit code, to verify your identity. This step is quick and crucial for securing your new DigiLocker account, ensuring only you can access it. After successfully logging into your DigiLocker account, navigate to the Issued Documents section from the main menu. Next, use the search bar to find your specific school board, for example, the Central Board of Secondary Education, or your particular educational institution. When prompted, carefully enter your unique 6-digit school PIN to securely fetch and display all your relevant academic documents directly into your locker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.